What's happening, YouTube? Gonna get into a little electrical talk, quick video. Recently was on a forum, talking some G-body. It was a G-body forum, and I mentioned the big three to somebody, and they didn't know what I was talking about. So we'll just shoot a little video and get some, people, if you're not familiar with it, what it is. The big three is upgrading your electrical system from factory. Factory has got, real small wires, just enough to do the job to run the engine, accessories, lights, whatever. So when you put an amp in or, anything that's going to draw a lot of current, these little wires that are in the factory harness just don't cut it. They get hot, they burn up, you blow fuses. With an amp, your headlights will dim at night when the bass hits, etc., etc. It's just too much. So the big three is basically your power wire to your system from your battery here. That's a 4 gauge. I got this set at, let's see here, Sky High Audio, up out of Reno, Nevada there. Quick shipping. So far, so good. But anyway, it's going to be your power wire and your ground, your ground to your block down here. And so that's going to be from your frame to your engine and from your frame to your negative on your battery post. So, and that's it. That's all you got to do. Cut it up, make it look clean, get them out the way, make sure they don't hit anything. You can even leave the stock wires on there. I didn't. I took mine off and just went with the upgrade for the power. But more doesn't hurt. So, yeah, that's about it. So if you're looking, if your headlights are dimming, you're doing any of those that I described in there, or you put an amplifier or anything else in your car and haven't done this, I highly suggest it. So till then, that's the big three, and we're out.